Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we're going to see some key lessons from just 7 of the Quran. So let's get started. The number 1 is obedience to divine law. Adhering to the guidelines regarding permissible and prohibited actions is critical. This includes dietary laws, which symbolizes broader concepts of purity and obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But to accountability, the emphasis on the day of judgment reinforces that every action has a consequences, urging believers to live righteously. Number 3, covenants and commitments. The importance of fulfilling promises and covenants is highlighted, reminding us to be trustworthy and committed. Number 4, recognition of signs. The natural world serves as a reminder of Allah's greatness and power, encouraging reflection on creations as a means of strengthening faith. Number 5, unity of belief. Monotheism is central and associating partners with Allah is strongly condemned, reinforcing the importance of sincere worship. Number 6, learning from history. The stories of past prophets illustrates the consequences of rejecting divine guidance and the importance of heeding their message. These lessons encourage personal growth, ethical conduct, and deeper connection with faith. If you like more insights on a specific lessons, let me know please. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Meet you with another informative video.